Yo.
Bike ride part 2.
Yo. We back at it again. Don't y'all might just round in the trip, like chill.
Bike ride part 2. You already know. Bro got so many cars for what though, man? Hello. Oh, ankle biter here. Ankle biter here. Yeah. It's good, buddy. It's good, buddy. It's good with you. What's your name? So?
Yo, what's going on, you guys? Don't worry about my neck. I understand it's looking a little different. Neck turned a little green. You know what I'm saying? We're here though today. You know what I'm saying? We finna go out bike riding. Tell them what's up.
Yeah, it's too dark to record it. Yeah, we going bike riding.
Hey, I'm gonna keep it real. I don't like how you.
Oh shit.
Oh look, y'all. That was him over there that said that. Don't hide now, ugly little dude. Tell them what's up, y'all. What's going on, guys?
What's going on with the track?
My fault. You on the phone, y'all. But yeah. So we finna go out and enjoy the night, y'all. Cause like, what's the big old deal?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You don't have no brakes. You don't have no brakes.
We just got here to the same spot as last time. We'll see how part 2 goes. Let's see if I can get off here. Oof. Alright.
Wait, y'all, that little boy got bunnies?
Oof. Don't crack that chain. I already hear it.
Hey, Scooter, I need the tail whips.
Them fat checks again.
What's going on, you guys? Y'all watching Dude Perfect here.
Why your voice changed, gang? Oh. Oh. Wanna do it again though?
That's that pivot 360.
How you do that?
I don't know how to fully that motherfucker yet.
That was good though.
Pivot that motherfucker.
Yes, sir. We're back in the RTC bike. Shout out RTC. Why is this seat so high though? Like too high. Hold on. Alright, there. We're back in action. But yeah, shout out RTC. RTC, 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 C, EVD, 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 D.
Stop it. Get some help.
Now what these motherfuckers doing?
Don't fall, nigga.
One slip and y'all done. Don't slip off, my boy. But you see it, guys. Hopefully part 2 goes better than part 1. I mean, part 1 we had a great time either way, but y'all get what I'm saying. More interesting. Hopefully more people out here. I do see more cars over there in that spot where we got these little RTC bikes. So more people there. We gonna see. We pulled up earlier too. Outside in your city, living good. They got a new one? That one looked like a damn fixie too. Skinny tires. I should have got that one. That one electric? Let's take turns.
No.
No?
Y'all gotta understand. You see this? My neck turning green, but motherfuckers just go try to chase me, so I gotta get out.
That's a good electric one. You get what you get and you don't throw a fit? So Steve, we're not gonna get a broken chain this time, gang?
You got that thing on.
I forget I won that race. You wanna run it back?
What's up? Oh, electric now. Almost made
Good
it.
thumbnail.
Yuri got in the way, that's why.
Pull it, bruh.
You don't know how to pull out. What's the number? Is it?
What number? 8? No good.
No, another one.
All right, we out. For real, we late?
fuck, boy, fat.
Hey, don't crush on my video, guy.
El último la vete.
What is this? A meetup spot right here? Oh, bro, I'm trying to get some content. Let's go over here real quick. Oh, light ups, bike. Where is he? Oh, he over there. What the hell?
Sir, you already know what's going on. We out here riding. Y'all ready? Look, we gonna pop a wheelie with the rental. Y'all ain't never seen that one.
It's crowded out here. We out. We out here running red lights. Bonehead squad. We started from downtown. Same place as always. Let's see if we go in a different route this time, but woo. Oh! Hey! You good? You good, fam? Oh! Not for real. Good, buddy? Damn, Gengi. Here you go, buddy. You did that? You recorded it? Yeah, I got that. You did it for the YouTube video, gang. That nigga hit that bitch so hard. Oh,
I think I had to check my shit, make sure it wasn't broken.
oh my god. I can't believe I caught it on the video. Damn.
Don't post that, just save it. You can save it.
But I got a good intro now.
My shit not broken?
Wait, you didn't see it at all?
Nigga, I was looking down, and as soon as I looked up, I thought he was joking.
Bro, they got a whole street sign over there.
Hey, they took the whole street sign with you.
You see, gang? Oh!
Nigga, pole beating.
How you gonna explain this one, bro?
Like, Cell did it.
Oh god. So why you beating on Steve, gang?
Damn, my shit's closed. I've never ran into a pole before.
I know, damn, they was really out here with those. We outside. Bro made a beatbox off a cooler? What the fuck? Oh!
On in Vegas. Fuck your day. Get his ass.
Oh, he tripping. I know Naked City get down like that. Out here tripping.
That's fine, I told you. Before the night, shut it only talk too much. I was thinking one I'm a one girl, promise me don't touch your dad. What a street that shit.
It's always that one guy doing the one different thing out of everyone. Nobody's on the freaking median. He's the only one. Bro, why you gotta be different? Like, we're really riding out here like we in Japan.
I really wrapped around that.
Oh, we got the drift missiles. Ooh, we need one of those. So when I was like 13 years old, this is my old neighborhood where I used to live. Then we're all the way over here. We started from downtown. So I'll show you guys my old house and everything. I didn't even think I was gonna go by it. It's actually pretty cool. I used to take this downhill all the time on my scooter. Ate a lot of shit and everything. But yeah, woo! I love this downhill. It was this one right here, guys. My old crib. Oh man, we got some speed. Believe it or not, camera's not doing justice, but we got some speed. We're probably going at least 30 miles per hour. Oh, look, I can't even catch up with the... Okay, I gotta put the speed up. Hey, the brakes don't work. I don't know what I would do in this situation. I could have speed wobble at any point. I know at least somebody's gonna eat it. Oh, damn, these have some good brakes. These are Brembos. We find out we got Brembos on these. Okay, RTC, I see you. Oh, this brings back so much memory in my old neighborhood. That's crazy. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Oh, they is not playing. They'll be trying to run us over? Damn. I thought it was yield to the people in front of you. Yeah, we're going all the way to my old park where I used to scooter to. St. Louis and Eastern. Sheesh. Look at bro all the way up there. How do you even get up there? That's crazy. Look at bro right here. Got my old park right here. I used to scooter all the time right here. Sheesh. There he is. Made it all the way to the DMV. Y'all never seen somebody get it cracking in an RTC bike at the skate park though. Corn lady about to make some bread right now. Oh, for real?
Yeah, bro, I'm a big fan of you.
What's your name? Shout your name out.
My name is Yuri Cuts. You already know.
Nice meeting you, bro.
I'll be watching your videos, bro.
Oh, for real, bros? Damn, they took over the skate park. Looked like the grand opening all over again. I want to see me going. Ooh. Hey, bro, go do some tricks in RTC. Be the world's first.
So y'all ain't never seen nobody hit an RTC bike?
I haven't seen it. You're really hitting that. Oh. You in there. Hold on. He cooking. Hold on. Damn, I didn't get it on video. He actually fell. Hey, redo it. What happened, bro? How'd you...
I know y'all got that.
No, I didn't get it on video.
I can't walk right now. I ain't gonna lie.
Guys, you see the amount of people that are out here? Like, this is crazy. Y'all see this? There's over at least 500 people here. Oh!
It's everywhere.
Oh!
Nice catch, Jeff. Good catch, Jeff.
It's live. My sister flew over it. The jury? That nigga's on sick.
He gone. What the fuck? He slapping his butt. He jelly ass.
All right, so now we're going back. We're going up a hill, believe it or not, up a steep ass hill. Still a lot of us out here. We're at the park for a cool minute. We stopped at Sonic and everything. But yeah, we're going up a hill now since we went down a hill. And I believe the bike ride will be over once we get back to our destination. Sheesh. So far, great experience. Second time going to a bike ride. It's a good time every time. You guys want to pop out? I believe it's every Wednesdays. Downtown Las Vegas. So you guys make sure to come and tag along if you guys are willing to come. Enjoy this little bike ride. It's a workout, I ain't gonna lie. It's a good workout with a lot of people, so good vibes. Seen somebody cut up on a bike. Watch this. Yeah. Watch this right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we in there. We in there. Never mind. We're not in there. Ooh, we got an old school little buggy.
Boneheads on top.
You a bonehead? Stop playing.
Hold on, they're trying to go through Fremont for real? Damn, I haven't been over here in a while. Ooh. Guys, fun facts, I used to work here as the janitor too. I do not miss this place. Oh my God, I don't even like thinking about it. Once again, I gotta wake up early as hell to go to work, but here we are, getting a little vlog for y'all. Not a little vlog, this is pretty long. We've been out here for a while. Great time, honestly. But we got bro popping a wheelie right here. Damn, it's every time I flip the camera. There you go.
Yo, what's going on, y'all? Look, we just did the whole sprint. I'm talking about legs hurting. I know I'm finna wake up tomorrow hitting the stinky leg, cramped up.
And we are done. This might be the sickest donut ever. That thing look nice on the Durango.
Look at this.
Rate your experience today.
10 out of 10. We did a workout, but that shit was fun.